We, it's 1, 2, 3, all of us are sitting at the table.
Bé tan tròn này, nó tiếng vì nó mà nhiều bé rộng tại trong.
So say we are sitting at the table. We
Con này
are
là
sitting at the table. We are sitting on chairs.
bé rộng tại lũ to.
My hat is on the table.
Cú lũ có mỏ nhóm tại lũ
My
trong.
glasses are in my hat.
Cú lũ chọn giá nhau không? Cú lũ có mỏ.
Do you like your drink?
Có bọn nhẹ có tại đây con.
Good. Good. How do you say thank you in Lao?
Lo tiệu qua cho nó lùm lo hai đi chàng. Cheers. And actually, you can learn Hmong also. Like thank you in Hmong, we say what chow. What chow.
Watch out. You're very good at language. It's very scary, isn't it, when you start?
Yeah.
It is. You're doing very well. Very well.
Actually, in the countryside, we don't have English class, and just start bring like she came to Long Bang to learn English.
Right. Well, we'll start emailing.
Yeah,
and
yes.
we can do English lessons.
Yeah, that's good idea.
Every week.
Now I am a student at college, so now it's summer break, and during the days I have nothing to do.
Right.
I just come here to practice my English.
I see.
Yes.
Very good.
But we start to study because September, so it's soon.
What are you studying?
I study ICT.
Oh, good on you. Very nice. Have you heard of WhatsApp?
Yes, I
Yeah.
use WhatsApp too.
We could talk on WhatsApp.
Yes, sure.
And there's a video as well,
Yes,
as long as you've got Wi-Fi.
yes,
And it's free.
yeah,
Yeah, Wi-Fi, WhatsApp is good.
yeah,
I'm on Facebook as well.
yes.
Are you on Facebook?
Yeah, I on Facebook and email and
Good.
WhatsApp.
Thank you. Say, if someone says thank you, you say you're welcome.
Thảo lại thì thank you rồi you you're welcome.
It's very.
Thank you.
Thank you. You haven't drunk much. It's slow. I will say goodbye.
Nia hai la con cho con à. Nia hai Nia hai dạ la con à. Xin chỉ đùa nè hai.
I will say goodbye. I will give you some money so you can buy yourself something special.
Nia mong mình chỉ nhẹ đó con. Tôi vừa uống nó, tôi vừa tới giờ chanh. Qua trao đó, em muốn là qua trao.
There. You're welcome. Buy yourself something special.
Trong vừa tới giờ chanh. Okay, thank you very much for helping my sister and being me
Be in
too.
touch.
Okay, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
You are so kind and you are a very good teacher.